welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you a comparison video on the Miss Fong Love and Peace original diaper bag and its mini counterpart, which is so stinking cute in my opinion. If you are new, I would love it if you would subscribe if you have not done so already. Let's just get into this comparison. So as you can tell, they're pretty much identical. They both do come with a dust bag and also a change pad, which I appreciate the change pad coming with the mini because a lot of minis don't come with a change pad. They both do have this front pocket here, which I will show you a close-up later on in the video. You have two zipper pockets right here on the side of each of them, which I actually really love those pockets.
So here is a side-by-side comparison of both. I'm holding it up because since it is bigger, it is a lot more slouchier than the mini. They both do have two bottle pockets on each side.
So this is what the backs look like. They both do have grab handles. You have a slip pocket on the back of each of them that is closed by a magnetic closure. The backpack straps are detachable from both bags, which personally I think that is great. You can take the straps off from the bottom because they are not detachable at the top, and you can stick them in this back slip pocket. I've seen some minis that don't have detachable backpack straps, so the fact that this smaller version does have that available to you, I think it's great. So the backpack straps on the mini are not that much different from the ones on the original. I would say they're not as wide, and I kind of feel like the thickness is a little bit thicker on the original. I think that's purposely done because this mini is obviously a smaller bag. So these two bags open the exact same way. They have two zipper pulls up at the top, which I really like bags that have two zipper pulls versus just one. It's not a deal breaker if they have just one. I just find it a little bit more convenient because you don't have to look for the zipper. You also do have two snap closures on each side on both bags to make the bag wider to get into. There are really good snaps, so you don't have to worry about it popping open. Hopefully I will be able to show you exactly how this is, but as you can see on the original, you have two insulated bottle pockets in here, and then you have this little flap that actually gives you a compartment here and a compartment here. I like a lot of pockets, so the fact that this bag has so many pockets, I'm just obsessed with. We move on to the smaller size. As you can see, it is just one big compartment there. As far as the inside, the changing pad is in this back zipper pocket. You get two other pockets here. On the opposite side, it's the exact same thing, so you have a super large pocket. I mean, this pocket is super deep. You have a slip pocket, and then you have another one that has Velcro closure. You also do have these two insulated bottle pockets, and then you obviously have the main compartment, which is super duper big. It's what the miniature version looks like. I don't have the change pad in here, but you do get a zipper pocket right here. On this side, you have a pocket with the Velcro closure, and then on the opposite side you have the exact same pocket and the same zipper. I also do have the straps here. They both come with the exact same straps. You can use these again to put your bag over the shoulder if you want to hang it off of anything. And then on the mini you also do get two insulated bottle pockets.
So now that I've compared these bags without anything inside of them, let's move on to the packing portion of this video.
So in this front pocket there is a slip pocket, and on the front one I have my keys, mask in the other one, this elastic pocket, a hand sanitizer spray. In the one next to it I have a mascara, cutie band, Carmex. In this zipper pocket I don't have anything, so in here I would normally keep my phone. On this side I have my wallet. I also love that it has these little French tassels, I guess. Here makes it easier to zip up. In this side bottle pocket, a replay sippy cup. On the other, I have another replay sippy cup. So this is what the inside looks like. I have a large jade packing case, and this one I just have 3 size 4 diapers, a pack of wipes, and then I also have a changing pad. Right next to that I have a Skip Hop snack tower. This is also great for formula. In front of that I have a 12 little on the go pouch. This is an insulated pouch food. And then I also have ice pack. It's really nice because it has a waterproof zipper. In front of all of that, a medium packing case. In here, I just have a JGB wet bag, change of clothes for my 14-month-old, pair of shorts, and some undies for my older two kiddos. In this bottle pocket right here, I have a covered goods nursing cover. This slip pocket, a bib, a zipper pocket, I have some teething tablets, some Pepto-Bismol, Dermamine. That's everything that I have inside the bag. This is everything that I had inside. So now I'm gonna try and fit all of this inside of the mini, and we'll see what fits and what doesn't. Okay, so this is everything, not everything, but most of it packed up, I guess. So I'm going to show you what I didn't get to pack up. I didn't pack up this diaper. I did have to take out everything out of the packing cases. I was not able to put any of the applesauce pouches in there, and then I was not able to put the snack cup in there either. I was able to get in here 2 size 4 diapers. I had to fold them up because standing up they were just poking out. I added the change of clothes along with the wet bag on the bottom, the packet of wipes in here. I added the nursing cover inside of the inside bottle pocket. I added both of the sippy cup. On one of the sides of the zipper, I added all the medicine for the kiddos. I added my stuff, and then on this pocket right here, I added the changing pad, and the other one has the bib. You can still snap this up. Smushing this a bit down, you can actually zip it all the way up. It looks a bit bulky, but this is packing for 3 kids essentially. So if I took out the extra pair of change of clothes for my older kiddos, I took out one of these replace sippy cups, it would be a lot more spacious in there and not so bulky. But honestly, it's surprising how much was actually able to get inside this little bag. Overall, both bags are great. This one is a beast. I mean, it holds a ton, but so does little mini one. So I think it just depends what you're packing for, what you need the bag for. At the end of the day, whatever you need, you have 2 different sizes. I hope this comparison was helpful to you. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. These bags will be linked down below. I hope you guys stay safe, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye.